The wealthy, including millionaires, billionaires, and others of their kind, they all arrived at the same conclusion to be able to amass such a large fortune. They know that working a typical 9-to-5 job will not lead to great wealth and early financial freedom. They know that diversifying their sources of income is the key to their financial success. Many wealthy people own their own businesses and are confident that they will be successful in this endeavor provided they are sufficiently educated and skilled. So even while they are asleep, their enterprises will continue to generate revenue for them. So how can the rest of us, who still need to work in our 9-to-5 jobs, diversify and grow our income? How do we get rich? Where do you even begin when you're just starting out? If you're not yet prepared to launch a business, do you have access to any other potential sources of revenue that you may count on? Without a doubt, there are. In this video, we will showcase some of these different ways to make extra money on the side, so make sure you watch to the end to find out. Invest in stocks and shares. Stocks are the easiest way to produce passive income, so we'll start there. If you have money in a savings account paying 0.1% interest, it's not benefiting you much. If you had significant savings and invested them in stocks, you could make passive income from the money. So how do you start? Utilize the S&P 500. If you've watched our previous videos, you will certainly know this name. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that monitors the collective performance of the stock prices of 500 major corporations that are traded on stock exchanges in the United States. An S&P 500 index fund may be a beneficial investment for your portfolio if your time horizon is at least 3 to 5 years out, but it is best if it is at least 5 years out. The long-term average annual total return for the S&P 500 is 10.43%. This is clearly way better than keeping your money in a savings account. Anyway, now that you know about the S&P 500, how do you start investing? The process through which investors can purchase and sell stocks, bonds, options, and other financial products has been fundamentally altered by the proliferation of investing applications you can download to your computer and also your smartphone. You can buy and sell stocks through a variety of different mobile applications that are designed specifically for investing. Recently, there has been a lot of discussions in the media about Robinhood and other investing apps, including what they are and how to utilize them as a part of a financially responsible approach. Well-known apps include Fidelity Spire, Betterment, E-Trade, and more. All you need is an account with one of them. If you are not a US-based investor, just search up any well-known investing apps in your country. Back to our example. If you invest, say, $2,500 in the S&P 500 index, your money is essentially split among the 500 largest publicly traded corporations in the United States. This is what the S&P 500 index represents. So, a small portion of it would be invested in companies like Amazon, Boeing, Chevron, Tesla, and many others. You probably won't have heard of many businesses on the list, but essentially, you wind up investing in 500 of the largest US corporations. There are further forms of passive income, some of which require a higher level of upkeep over the course of their existence. Investing in stocks and shares, on the other hand, is a nice, simple approach to generate passive income. Start a YouTube channel. We all utilize YouTube as our major platform for watching videos online, regardless of whether we're interested in cat videos, fashion vlogs, sports footage, cartoons, technology reviews, food instructions, or anything else. YouTube has been around for many years, and that it is constantly undergoing development in order to better serve its users. It can also make you money. YouTube has 122 million daily users, with at least 2 billion users per month. Every minute, more than 500 hours of videos are uploaded. The audience is so large that the total hours of watch time is now around 250 million hours every day. That's a big audience, and advertisers know this. But how does one earn money through YouTube? Well, YouTube has implemented the partner program. This means there are features that allow you to earn income. 1. Earn money from advertisements by displaying, overlaying, or playing videos on your uploads. 2. Memberships on the channel are characterized by recurrent monthly fees made in exchange for unique benefits provided by the proprietor. 3. Shopping. Your followers can peruse the products in your YouTube store, such as merch, and make purchases there. 4. your followers can pay to have their messages or animated graphics emphasized in chat streams using a feature called Super Chat and Super Stickers. 5. Super Thanks. Your supporters must pay a fee to have their comments featured in the section beneath one of your videos. 6. Revenue from YouTube Premium. You can receive a portion of the monthly subscription cost paid by a YouTube Premium user when they watch your videos. There are also plenty of other ways to earn income in YouTube, like letting your audience support you through fan funding, licensing your content to the media, and working with brands as an influencer. While it's easy to register a YouTube account and submit videos, success on YouTube can be difficult. Yes, it's a fun pastime that's worth the time, but can it make you money? Well, yes, but you need views, a lot of them, and it takes work and management to get them. The best way is simply to regularly and consistently upload good quality videos. Do this weekly for a year or so, and you should see your passive income slowly grow. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you sell things that belong to other people, but in exchange for doing so, you receive a commission on the sales of those products. Currently, just under half of affiliate marketers around the world earn about $20,000 annually, which is pretty good. It seems that people are having a lot of success with affiliate marketing in general. How difficult would you say it is to begin a career in affiliate marketing? This can also relate to being a YouTuber. You have the opportunity to become an affiliate marketer for various businesses and to incorporate product placements, endorsements, and other forms of content into your videos. You need to make the viewers of your YouTube videos aware of these partnerships. This is an approach that is essentially fruitful when you use your YouTube channel to provide product reviews. In most cases, there is not much of a barrier to entry because there is no risk involved on the part of the brand owner, and they only have to pay when they generate sales. Proper affiliate networks include ClickBank, which offers commissions ranging from 1% to 75% of the sale price depending on the parameters provided by the vendor, and Amazon's affiliate network, which offers commissions of up to 10% per transaction. You might even get in touch with brands that are relevant to your specialized market and are operating their very own affiliate programs, which is not unheard of in the world of online retailing. So far, the methods we have explained might seem like a huge undertaking, and it is. Nothing is ever easy when it comes to setting up a passive stream of income. The key is being disciplined and diligent. It helps you stay focused on your goals, provides you the courage to continue with difficult work, and allows you to push yourself to new heights. If you want to learn more about ways of earning passive income, keep watching. Sell digital products. To generate additional income with little financial outlay and effort, consider selling digital products. Depending on your efforts, the quality of your goods, and your marketing, that trickle of sales could turn into a raging river of cash. Graphic designers have the resources to build sellable digital products. You may sell graphic logos, backgrounds, and fonts online. If you love design, it's an opportunity to express yourself and get your work out into the world. Online stores such as Shopify or Etsy welcome those who are creative and bold enough to put their work on there for sale. Selling your photographs online can provide a stable source of income if you have a good eye for composition, lighting, and color. Alternatively, you might provide free stock photographs as a means of advertising any other products you may be selling. You could even reach out to other digital product developers in your field once you've seen some success. Doing so will allow you to meet new people, learn new tricks, and engage in cross-promotion. Experiment with some paid adverts on social media or your selling platform if your budget permits it. There are many possibilities, so all you need to do is figure out what is working and focus on that. Create an online course. You will need to first find a certain niche that people would be interested in learning about, or think of a subject in which you excel or a subject you feel comfortable instructing others about, and launch your own online course. That easy, right? Well, not quite. To make any money doing this, your course needs to be good. People will not pay a penny for a course if it doesn't deliver good value and great content. It needs to be easy to follow, informative, relevant to your niche. There are hundreds of thousands of people who could learn from what you have to share and would be willing to pay you for your online course. An online course's starting point is its topic. It must be desirable to the consumer market. It would be even better for you if you already have a web presence, a mailing list, or a significant social media following. You just need to determine which kind of digital course they would pay money for. Promote your planned course before you develop it. To ensure the success of your online course, this is one of the most reliable methods for testing its viability. Don't get too far into building your course until you've determined there is an interest for it. You'll know there's a market for your product if someone buys it before you even make it. Before spending months creating a course that no one wants, you may save a ton of time and money by conducting a pre-sale. In a nutshell, get started earning money with online courses by selecting a topic, pre-selling it to gauge interest, and developing and publishing it. Passive income is a bit of a deceptive term. The term implies that one can earn additional money with little to no continued effort. It teaches people to expect benefits without putting in any effort, which is really not true. Life doesn't work that way. Creating passive income streams is not easy at first, but it does eventually get easier if you set them up right and continue to nurture them. Most people are capable of doing this, but the vast majority find excuses to stay in the safety and comfort of the 9-to-5 jobs. Working hard on your passive income streams is exhausting and can be disheartening at times, but with discipline and persistence, we can all get there. What are your thoughts on passive income? Do you know of other ways to make some more money on the side? Feel free to share them in the comments below. If you want to learn more about getting rich and keeping a wealth mindset, click the videos on the screen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.